I must admit, there's nothing quite like the thrill of discovering high-end decor looks for a fraction of their designer price, and hunting for those hidden treasures at HomeGoods has become one of my little guilty pleasures. So join me as I browse for those unique pieces that would add a special touch to any home decor style, and all without breaking the bank. Hello friends, welcome back to the Dauer Diaries, where we do all things home. If you're new, I'm Jennifer. Cory and I are so thankful to have you with us today on our channel. I'm very excited to share some amazing home decor dupes with you. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and become a part of our wonderful YouTube community. Shopping HomeGoods is a lot like shopping at the thrift and antique stores, where you never know what you'll find. And that is one of the reasons I love to shop here. And HomeGoods always has a great assortment of outdoor pots, some of which I would even use indoors to elevate the look of a potted tree or plant. The prices are amazing, especially compared to the more expensive planters found on the high-end retail sites. And you'll achieve that same designer look just without the price. Trays are another item I search out while shopping HomeGoods, and who doesn't love a pretty woven tray? They are really versatile when styling, and I love to use them throughout the seasons. I absolutely adore baskets, the color and texture they can add to a room, and the fact that they make everyday living easier. And this one is really large for the price. Such an amazing buy if you're lacking storage and want something pretty to tuck things away. There is nothing better while shopping than finding something pretty on clearance. I loved the look of these woven lamps, and the price was really good. You can't even buy a woven lampshade for this price, and I think these lamps would add warmth and texture to just about any room. This decorative bowl definitely caught my attention. The elevated detail of the ripped glass is stunning, and the marble base is a bonus. A very pretty accent piece to add to coffee table books, a shelf, in the entryway as a catch-all, or even the kitchen with fruit. These handkerchief glass vases have been really popular this spring and summer, and this one is very similar to a vintage vase that costs far more than the HomeGoods price of $12.99. Glass has made a real comeback, and this small lamp, which is rechargeable as well, has a very pretty look. It is a traditional style, and it would add such a beautiful look to a desk, shelving that has more vertical space, or even a kitchen counter to bring warmth and a homey glow. This lamp is much less expensive than most of the glass lamps I've seen, even on the discounted websites like Wayfair. And how can you go wrong with a Ralph Lauren table lamp? This one has such a beautiful shape and style. It's a cream ceramic lamp with a white drum shade, such a high-end lamp for a low cost. Ralph Lauren lamps go for over $1,000 online or in those higher end retail stores, and this is such a lovely lamp, one that won't go out of style. I love finding items that can double as a functional piece as well as decor, and these lamps are just that item. It's a functional light that will add ambiance, but it also has a pretty sculptural look. I also love the contrast of the lighter base with the darker drum shade. I thought these lamps were really fun and unique. They are metal and will add that warm, aged brass look to any room. They have a very mid-century modern look about them, something you could maybe find vintage shopping. I think they are at a great price, especially when compared to the more high-end sites that have a much steeper price tag. I know we are nowhere near cozy blanket weather yet, but I love looking through the blankets at HomeGoods. They have some really amazing dupes for such a great price, like this plaid one here. It's a great option if you love those expensive wool blankets found on high-end websites, but just can't justify the cost. Just in case you've ever wondered what Cory does while I shop the stores, well, here is your answer. Another area that I feel HomeGoods excels in is their vases and decorative bowls and objects. You can really find some amazing items that look almost identical to the more expensive designer looks. Even marble bowls and trays are at a much more affordable price here. This is a paper mache bowl and I immediately picked it up. I loved the clean lines and the cute little handles on the sides, and then I realized why I was drawn to it. We made one very similar in style, only more aged in appearance in one of our DIY videos. I'll leave it linked in the description box in case you are interested in learning how to create your own look for less. This vase is an almost exact dupe of the McGee & Co. Arnett terracotta vase that is more than twice the cost of this one. This vase is beautiful. I adored everything about it. The shape, the color. It looked old and the glaze was crackled. It was just stunning. A beautiful and timeless piece to add to a decor collection. If you like more modern pieces, check out HomeGoods because they usually have a great selection of sculptural decor items that would truly elevate the look of any room and bring that modern, elevated style to a space. I thought these gorgeous spool chairs would be such a beautiful way to bring in pattern to a living room, a small sitting area, or even a bedroom. I thought they looked very high-end and are much less than some I've seen on the designer websites. I even got a sneak peek at the McGee & Co. fall launch, and she has some chairs very similar to these, only without the pattern. This mirror, oh my goodness. If we were living in our new home, I would have purchased this in a heartbeat. I love the rich dark color and the shape of the frame. It was elegant without being overly stuffy. There was this whimsical charm to it. It was just so pretty. And for the size, the price was amazing and far less expensive than the designer brands. I've been on the hunt for a new area rug for a little makeover in our home, and HomeGoods has some great deals on rugs, and it's really helpful to see the color in person. Thank you all so much for spending your time with me today. I truly hope you found some inspiration and home decorating ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and share. It really does help our channel grow. And if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. We would love to have you as a part of our community. Also, don't forget the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos. We'll be back next Thursday with a room makeover, so be sure to join us because you won't want to miss it. Until then, we hope you all have an amazing week. We'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.